Welcome to PMN Online. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add money to PayPal from credit card, debit card, or bank account. If you've been struggling to figure out how to load funds directly into your PayPal balance, especially if you live outside the US, this tutorial is for you. We're going to walk through the steps, including a clever workaround that should work for almost everyone, regardless of where you are located. Important preliminary note: use a web browser. Before we start, there is one very important thing you must know. You cannot do this process using the dedicated PayPal app on your phone, whether you are on an iPhone or an Android device. PayPal support confirmed that this method doesn't work well for mobile app users. You must log into your PayPal account using a web browser. For example, if you are on an iPhone, use Safari, or if you are using Android, use Google Chrome. Once you are logged in through the browser, you can follow the steps we are about to cover. Method 1. The direct transfer, mostly for US users. When you log into your PayPal account via the web, you will look for the option to manage your funds. For those of you living in the United States, the process should be relatively straightforward. You will click on Transfer Funds. You should see 3 different options appear at the bottom of the screen. One of these options will be labeled Add Money to Your PayPal Balance. If you see that option, select it. You will then need to link or select the credit card or bank account you wish to use. A key requirement here is that the name on the card or bank account must exactly match the name registered on your PayPal account. Once you enter the card information, the money should be sent over. The good news is that this direct transfer process is typically free, with no fees involved. The universal workaround: requesting money from yourself. Now, if you live outside the United States, or if you are in the US but don't see the direct Add Money option because your specific region doesn't support that feature, don't worry. This next method is a reliable trick that works for everyone, whether you are in Africa, Europe, or anywhere else. The trick is to use the Request Money feature to pay yourself. Here is how you execute this. Step 1. Create a secondary email address. You need a second, entirely new email address that is not currently connected to your main PayPal account. I already have the email address I use to log into my PayPal, so I created a second one specifically for this purpose. This allows you to effectively send a request to yourself. Step 2. Initiate the money request. Log into your main PayPal account. Using the browser, remember. Click on Request Money. In the recipient field, enter the brand new email address you just created. Then click Request. Step 3. Set the amount and purpose. On the next screen, you need to enter the amount you wish to add to your PayPal balance. For this demonstration, let's say I want to add $100, so I will enter $100. For the purpose of the payment, you can simply enter nothing or whatever you prefer, as this is just an internal transfer. Then click Request Payment. Step 4. Fulfill the request. Now, you need to switch gears. Go to the inbox of that secondary email address you created. You should receive a notification from PayPal stating that someone, which is you, has sent you a money request. Step 5. Pay yourself. Open that request notification and click on Pay Now. This is where you link your card or bank account. If prompted to log in to PayPal, look for the option that says Pay without a PayPal account. This lets you use your card details directly. You will then need to fill out all your payment details. Select your country, enter your first name, last name, card number, security code, billing address, city, phone number, and email address. Finally, click on Agree and Create, or the Final Payment button. And that is exactly how you successfully pay yourself, adding the funds from your external card or bank account directly into your PayPal balance using this universal method. Here are 10 most common errors and its solutions. 1. Add Money option not showing. Cause: this feature is not available in many countries outside the US. Solution: use the request money to yourself workaround secondary email method. Log in via browser, not the app. 2. We can't verify it's you error. Cause: PayPal security blocks the action due to unusual activity or device mismatch. Solution: log in from a trusted device, browser. Clear cookies/cache. Enable two-step verification in settings. Try again after 5 to 10 minutes. 3. This card is not accepted. Card declined. Cause: card issuer blocks the payment or the card type is unsupported. Solution: use a different card. Visa, MasterCard works best. Ensure international transactions are enabled. Ask your bank to allow online payments. 4. Name on card doesn't match account name. Cause: PayPal requires exact name match between card and PayPal profile. Solution: update the cardholder name in bank records or update your PayPal profile name. Requires ID verification. 5. We're unable to process your payment right now. Cause: temporary system block, suspicious activity, or too many attempts. Solution: wait 30 to 60 minutes and retry. Try incognito mode or a different browser. 6. Your account is limited. Cause: PayPal flagged your account for verification, disputes, or unusual activity. Solution: go to Resolution Center. Submit requested documents, ID, proof of address, etc. Wait for PayPal to review. 7. Payment cannot be completed when paying yourself. Cause: your card issuer blocks self-payments or merchant category. Solution: use another card. Use a debit credit card with international support. Ensure sufficient balance and daily limits. 8. Merchant does not accept this payment type. Cause: some cards cannot be used to complete money requests. Solution: use the Pay Without PayPal account option and enter card details manually. 9. Card verification failed. Small $1 charge declined. Cause: bank blocks the temporary authorization. Solution: call your bank and allow PayPal pre-auth transactions. 10. Currency not supported. Cause: your card currency differs from your PayPal account currency. Solution: enable automatic currency conversion inside PayPal or use a card in USD or Euro. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to add money to PayPal from credit card, debit card, or bank account. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.